This is Chris Clover again with Week 3 Summary Video B about the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It's not law, it's a guideline that was put together after World War II. So it's not enforced everywhere. About the question about addressing human trafficking, that's a really good one. You could do some more research if you're interested. You can check with local laws. You can check online. You can look at the government websites and see what's going on. And if you wanted to, you could contribute to something like that. By the way, this is not my dog. I babysat a dog for a friend of mine a couple of years ago. So these are all her flowers. The annotated bibliography. If you need to use additional sources for your research paper, you don't have to put it in the annotated bibliography, but you do have to put it in your citation page. Okay, so I am expecting a citation page at the end of your research paper. And you'll notice that I don't have a length in there. I'm not really sure how long it's going to be because this is the first time I've done it in this particular format. My guess is that as long as you get everything in there that's required, that the word count won't matter so much as the fact that you've covered the required pieces of information that I've asked for in detail. The more detail you put in, the better grade you're going to get. Okay, so how can we solve some of the issues we've discussed in this class? Boy, it's a big group of things to take care of. You could spend your entire life taking care of a particular issue. You could give money to several issues. You could use whatever your career is in service to a particular issue. It's really personal how you want to do that, but it always takes more than one person. Okay. So there will always be discrimination against people. It will always be a problem. That's a difficult truth. That's very true. I'm not sure why that's a muddiest point. Okay. One of you had a question about the civic engagement assignment. Are we supposed to do one activity and write a 700+ word essay and not do the reflection? The reflection is the essay. Now, you don't have to write an essay. You could do a mind map, you could do a video, you could do a PowerPoint presentation. As long as you answer all of the questions that are in the reflection prompts, that is how you're going to do this project. So it's not necessarily has to be a paper. If it's going to be a paper, it probably has to be at least 700 words, and I don't think that's going to be an issue. But if you're making a concept map or a PowerPoint, I can't hold you to a word count. Good luck. It should be really interesting. Okay, so some of the methods for searching through the BSU library database are confusing. Every time I do something with the librarians, they teach me more ways of doing things. They have a whole section of videos about how to do different things in the library. I think I put that in the course resources. And finally, if you don't remember what the reflection question is for this week, it's what makes you feel powerful? Enjoy the next week, week 4. We're over halfway through. Thanks and goodbye.